So, kakatapos lang ng Season 1 dito kay Cinnamon Cross and today, running na yung Season 2. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung ilan nga ba yung Shields Crystal na nakuha natin sa previous season. Pangalawa is, ano nga ba yung use case ng Shields Crystal within the game? Ano nga ba yung mga items na mabibili nyo with Shields Crystal and everything? Pangatlo is paano mag-convert ng Shields Crystal to Shields X and then from Shields X to Cross. So, yan yung pag-uusapan natin within this video. So, tara, simulan na natin to guys. So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung ilan nga ba yung rewards na nakuha natin, paano nga ba mag-mint ng Shields X token, and also, ano nga ba yung use case ng Shields Crystal dito sa Cinnamon Cross. So, first up is the rewards. Yung rewards na nakuha natin sa leaderboard ranking is medyo maliit lang guys kasi we haven't grinded the game. Okay, so if you actually go to mail, makita nyo dito guys, under Shields Crystal Box, ito yung total rewards na nakuha natin sa Shields ranking. Now, in terms of conversion, kung ano yung nakalagay doon sa rewards nyo, let's say for example, nasa top 10 kayo guys, kung ano yung nakalagay doon, yun yung makukuha nyo na Shields Crystal dito. So, wala siyang parang difference in terms of the conversion. Kumbaga, 1:1 siya. Kung ano nakalagay doon, yun yung i-deliver sa inyo sa mail. So, ito yung nakuha natin, which is around 21 Shields Crystal. So, itong Shields Crystal na to, kapag kinonvert nyo siya into Shields X, 1:1 din yung conversion niya. So, that's the good thing as well. But anyway, pag-usapan natin yan later kapag imimint na natin tong Shields Crystal, converting it to Shields X. Okay? Now, the next thing is in terms of the use case ng Shields Crystal sa game na to. So, kapag pumunta kayo guys sa shop, okay, makikita nyo dito guys sa shop, under support product, meron ditong Shields Crystal tab. And from here, makakita kayo ng mga items na makakatulong para ma-increase yung combat power nyo within CLM. So, one of the things that I saw here is itong Flame Lucifer Seal. So, meron siyang dalawang klase guys. Meron siyang physical, meron din siyang magical. So, this is segregated, of course, para ma-improve yung stats ng each character types. Okay, kasi merong magic type, merong combat type or strike power type. So, dito kapag physical type kayo, usually ang kukunin nyo is ito. Okay? Now, ano nga ba yung stats na meron dito guys? At bakit ko nasabi na sobrang OP nito, especially kapag nabili to ng mga whales? Number 1 is it has 4 stats. Meron din siyang strike power, critical accuracy, critical damage, and then merong ignore physical defense. Napakalaking bagay nito guys, especially kapag upgraded pa siya. So I think a lot of whales are going to purchase this, especially yung mga nakapasok ng top 1 to top 10. Talagang possible na bilhin kagad nila to because of the additional combat power that they will get from it. Okay? Now, medyo mahal din to guys, no? Kinampute ko kanina kung magkano yung presyo niyan in terms of the conversion, and talagang malulula kayo guys sa presyo ng item na to. Okay, but anyway, pag-usapan natin yung later. So, 50,000 Shields Crystal yung kailangan nyo dyan. So, ito yung mabibili nyo. Now, meron namang mga alternative items like yung Dragon Guardian Glove, so Black Dragon. Okay, dito may physical din and may magical din. So, this one is much cheaper than the Lucifer Seal. 2,000 Shields Crystal lang yung gagamitin nyo dito. Okay? Now, aside from that, I see that this one is very important as well, which is the Destruction Protection Crystal. Kasi dati sa top-up nyo lang talaga ito mabibili. But if makapasok kayo sa rankings, you have a chance to also purchase this per server. So, nakalagay or naka-indicate naman dito kung ilan yung maximum na mapapurchase nyo sa game. Okay? So, kapag na-maximize nyo na yan, let's say, nabili nyo na itong 2,000 Destruction Protection Crystal, limit na kayo dyan. Now, bakit ko nasabi na importante to guys? Kasi when you reach level 10 and when you're enhancing your gears to level 11, okay, kapag nag-fail yan guys, automatic pwedeng ma-destruct yung weapon nyo or pwedeng masira yung weapon nyo. So, mas maganda na gumamit kayo ng Destruction Protection Crystal para at least save yung equipment nyo in terms of upgrading. Another thing na nakikita ko dito na pwedeng maging use case ng Shields Crystal is yung summoning. Okay? Now, kung mapapansin nyo dito, merong pet special summon ticket dito na times 100, which is a way more cheaper, especially kapag mababa yung presyo ng Shields X token. So, pwede nyo itong i-take advantage. But you can always compare the price that you have to spend sa shop and then also that you have to spend within the game. Kung worth it ba sa inyo to. But kung free-to-play player kayo tapos nakakuha kayo guys ng more than 1,000 Shields crystal, then you can use this to get more pet summon tickets or either costume. Kung ano man yung kailangan nyo dito sa game na to. Okay? Aside from that, meron din ditong, I think this is for the Garter. Okay? So, ito yung pwede nyong gamitin din, parang costume or costume nyo sa mount. Okay, nasasakyan nyo. And then, meron din mga appraisal tickets dito, which is important as well. Pero, very cheap lang naman yan. So, I think, kung meron man kayong Shields Crystal, the items that you have to prioritize would be either the Black Dragon Guardian Gloves. Pero, if you have enough to actually purchase the Flame Lucifer Seal, okay, then go ahead and purchase it kasi sobrang OP ng stats nito guys, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, siya lang yung 4 stat na merong complete in terms of like DPS build. Okay? Though, wala silang defensive guys. Kumbaga, physical and magical lang. Walang defensive dito. So, yung mga tanks will definitely go with the physical ones. Okay? Kasi wala pa naman PvP dito guys. So, I don't think it's necessary. Pero, siguro kapag nagkaroon na ng PvP contents and maging heavy na yung PvP contents dito kay CLM, possible na maglabas sila ng, defensive type or support type ng Flame Lucifer Seal. So, yun yung mga bagay na i-check din natin in the future as well. Maybe, who knows, di ba? Now, in terms of like minting, okay, napakadali lang naman mag-mint dito sa game na to. But, kailangan nyo lang gawin, of course, is dapat nasa account nyo na yung Shields Crystal. And then, you just have to click the hamburger menu on the top right corner. And then from here, makikita nyo dito si Crossram. Now, si Crossram, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-click nyo lang siya. Okay? So kapag nasa PC kayo, ganito yung itsura niya guys. Now, para makalagin kayo dito, you make sure na connected yung inyong CrossX wallet. So connect natin yung CrossX wallet natin dito. Okay? So ayan. And then, when you click on connect wallet, pwede nyo i-select yung extension. So dito sa extension guys, click nyo lang yung connect. And from here, connected na yung wallet nyo within the game. Okay? So when it comes to the mobile tutorial, hindi ko pa siya matuturo. But basically, madali lang din itong gawin. Kasi kapag clinic nyo yung Crossram, usually mararoute kayo sa parang browser. Then pag naroute kayo sa browser, you have an option there to use your CrossX wallet on your phone. So ganun yung parang cash out process doon. Now, as you can see here, kapag sinelect natin yung balance natin, which is 21, okay, meron tayong fee na 50%. Okay, now I don't think that this one is really much of a deal for us kasi maliit lang naman yung reward na nakuha natin. But this is to show you kung paano mag-convert ng Shields Crystal to Shields X. Okay, now kung mapapansin nyo, napakalaki niyan, 50% yan. In order for you to reduce it, I think, is you need to purchase the premium passes. Okay, para mag-lessen to into 10%. Kasi malaki yan guys, 50% yan. So I think buying a pass would definitely allow you to somehow reduce this. Same thing with Rohan 2 Global kasi si Rohan 2 Global, ganito rin yung tax system niya, which is 50%. So basically, ang gagawin mo lang is bibili ka ng premium pass para ma-reduce siya into 10%. Okay? Now, ang gagawin nyo lang naman dito guys is kiklik nyo yung assemble. So kapag clinic nyo yung assemble, usually may lalabas dito na notification. Okay, pero I think nagkakaroon ng error right now within our wallet. So try natin mag-refresh. Connect natin ulit. Ayan. So yan, dapat merong verification. So usually ganyan yung nangyayari guys. So you just have to reconnect your wallet. And then from here, you just have to wait up until mag-reflect or makita nyo na tong notification na to, which is token minted successfully. So click nyo lang yung close. And then pagka-click nyo ng close, pwede na kayong pumunta sa cross game token. Now, pag-usapan natin yung value ni Shields X right now. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, ang value niya is 0.8 cross, okay, or 0.0624 in USD. So check natin kung magkano yung 0.0624 USD to PHP. So around 3.75 pesos yung isang Shields X token. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo dito, pwede nyo siyang i-convert. So balik tayo dito sa cross game token. Ilalagay ko na lang yung mga links sa description guys para hindi na kayo maligaw. But anyway, if you wanna sell it, you have to connect your wallet first. So connect natin yung wallet natin. Click install. Then once connected na, dito makikita nyo dito yung sell option. So from here, click nyo lang yung sell. And then ito yung total na value na cross na makukuha nyo. Okay, so minimum order size niya is 2 cross. And at the same time, yung trading fee niya is 5%. So you have to also consider the trading fees as well kasi baka magulat kayo bakit bawas yung cross na nakuha nyo. So always check the trading fee kasi lagi yung included dito. So if you wanna sell it right away, then you can go to market. Okay? And then click on sell. Then after that, confirm and then hit I understand, then approve, and then connect, then type in your password. Okay, then click on confirm. Alright? So, ganun lang mag-sell dito sa market ng Shields token. Now, i-click nyo lang yung sell confirm and then click on confirm again. So, naka-market order tayo guys. Whatever it is, the price na available dito, automatic yun guys na mabibenta yung Shields Crystal or Shields token natin or Shields X token. So mapapansin nyo guys, na-convert na natin siya. Nadagdagan na tayo ng $1. So parang $1 lang kasi yung value nun. Okay, so yan yung total na nakuha natin when it comes to the Shields X. Okay, now in terms of the ranking, alright, medyo mabilis yung points ng iba dahil of course nakapondo na sila. Tayo is nagsisimula pa lang ulit. Okay, so mapapansin nyo dito, there are 26 days left. So currently, 30,000 na agad si Kadalapi. Then si Besek naman 28,000. So napakalaking point difference na nito no in terms of us since magsisimula pa lang tayo. But in terms of sipag, siguro I think we will be able to catch up to at least top 1,000 or top 500. I think we will be able to do that. Kasi bibili din naman tayo ng Shields Pass. But anyway, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng understanding as to what's the use case of the Shields Crystal within the game, ilan yung reward allocation, and also kung paano mag-convert from Shields Crystal to Shields X and then Shields X to Cross. Now, by the way, nakalimutan ko pala guys, if you wanna cash it out, let's say for example, gusto nyo i-cash out yung Cross token nyo, all you just need to do is to have a BNB on your Cross wallet. So, pwede kayong pumunta sa Cross Bridge, okay, para makapag-convert kayo from Cross to or makapag-bridge kayo from Cross to Cross BNB. So, kasi meron tayong BNB dito guys na ginagamit for gas fee. So, kailangan nyo din to guys. But anyway, that's gonna be for the next video guys kapag magka-out na tayo. But anyway guys, that's gonna be for another video kasi mag-out tayo ng Cross token. So gagawin ko siya ng specific content on how to actually cash out your Cross token going to your exchange account. But anyway, the value is pretty decent as well. Kung mapapansin nyo naman, hindi naman sobrang lumagapak yung presyo ng Shields X. Hopefully this will be maintained kasi very limited lang yung Shields X na mamimint in the game. So long as hindi naman nagbenta ng sobrang laki yung mga whales dito sa game na to, automatic yan guys na buhay pa rin yan. But expect that the price will be a bit lower than what we are expecting. So far 3 pesos is a good amount, okay? Comparing to other tokens na makikita nyo dito with the Cross. So I think it's maintaining its value. And hopefully tumaas pa siya because the demand is really high in terms of the Shields Crystal, and I think that is because of the shop that we look at earlier. So yun na naman guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng understanding on what's the use case of Shields Crystal and kung paano mag-convert ng Shields Crystal to Shields X. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa panonood and alam niyo na, peace out.